Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to use this medium to say I'm very sorry for not being online for the past 1 month. The reason is that I was busy with school activities and the rest, so I'm back again. So I'm very sorry. Please guys, forgive me, pardon me please. So without wasting much time, or in this channel I talk about arbitrage opportunity if I find one. I also talk about app review, show you how you can make money using app or any website. So in this review we are actually going to talk about SproutGig, formerly known as picoworker. So what I want to explain in this video is actually two segments, but I'm going to take one for today. So the next day I'm going to post video on the second one. So what I'm going to talk about today is known as freelancer, but I'm going to explain the differences between freelancer and the buyer in this website. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel, and also like the video, comment, so that it will also reach out to other people to also benefit from this video. What I do in this channel is that I drop my honest review on things that is working and things that is not working. If I try something out and it's not working, I will also come here to tell you that it's not working. If it's working, I also show you that it's working. But in a short term review, I want to tell you that SproutGig is actually working. It's a good website. Then there's something actually want to tell you, so stay tuned to this video and you are going to learn a whole lot of things about this website. I know a lot of you are making money on SproutGig, doing some tasks, earning small income. So I also tell you, but you don't know you can actually make a cool cash from it, rather than earning like 0.03% and the rest. Don't allow anybody to lie to you that Sprague, the easiest job you can do on Sprague is promoting content, engaging, and the SEO content like that. That's the simplest task you can perform on Sprague. The rest tasks can be like sign up, which might take your time. Sometimes you get stuck without doing anything. So you hear some people telling you that every single task you perform on Sprout that you are going to earn 0.03 cents. No, it's not actually 0.3 cents, it's actually 0.03 cents. That's what you are going to make anytime you are carrying out tasks on engagement, content engagement, or things like SEO or content promotion, something like that. So I want to tell you something. So first of all, what is SproutGig? SproutGig is a platform. Let me use the word platform, where you can get in to do some certain tasks and get paid, and where you can also employ people to work for you and you pay them. So those are the two things. So you can see on the screen, we have buyer and freelancer. Freelancer here is you actually a worker. You are the one working to get paid. While buyer is you are like paying somebody to work for you. So that is how it is. So let me quickly show you how this freelancer work. As you can see my earning on the screen, I earn 0.68. That's so hilarious. Like if I want to tell you how I take make this money, is funny. It's actually funny. Like I wasted more than I wasted 5 hours on this website making just 68 cents. That's crazy. I started on 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock and I made 0.68 cents. Actually hit my hand on my chest, be like, yeah, I want to make this money. I want to see if I can actually use this freelancer to set make a reasonable amount of money like in a day. So I found out everything didn't go the way I was planning it. So I was frustrated and I give up. Sure, I give up on the freelancer segment, but on the buyer segment, actually a good way to make money, which I'm going to do it next next time. So you subscribe to my channel so that once I drop a video on the buyer side, you know what to do about it, how can benefit from it. So one thing about this freelancer is simply, as I said earlier, you just come here as a worker and work for somebody to get paid. So this one of it, if you want to perform any task on this platform as a freelancer, what you need to do is you come to where you see micro jobs, you click on micro jobs. You can see I have finished tasks like 23 tasks, satisfied plus paid tax is 18, then pending review is 0. So I click on find job here, it's coming up. So okay, it's coming up. Okay, it's actually showing. Okay, you can see the jobs that are available. You can perform this is the SEO plus promote content plus engage I was telling you about. These are the simplest tasks you can do. Like if you want to do tasks like sign up, you can click on here, sign up. Sorry, you can click on category, you click on sign up, now click on apply. You see the sign up jobs that are available. You earn 0.5 cents, 0.4 cents, 0.4. So one of the sign up taxes, you sign up to FMC pay plus KY. You do KYC, and before you get 0.5 cent, which is which is very like, it is something, it's something that you put in your effort, your work. Because if you do this kind of content, you will not get paid today, because it might take you like sometimes 1 hour. Sometimes, let me say, if you are luckily to you, it might take you 1 hour to get verified on this. It might take you 2 days, one day to get verified on some platform that requires KYC, which are actually going to take your time. That is it. So if you want to do job that will pay you fast, is come here, click on S SEO plus promote content plus search plus engage. You now click on it, you now apply. Okay, you can see these are jobs that you can do very simple and get paid. This website is actually legit. They are going to pay you once you reach the minimum withdrawal. But with doing freelancer, before you get to the minimum threshold, guy, you know what is called work. I mean work. I sat on my phone from 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock, making only 0.68 cents, which is not actually worth it. It doesn't worth my time at all, because if actually I went out for my regular job, I would have made more than what I made the other day. So so without wasting much time, let me quickly take you through how you can actually complete this job to get paid. So it is now left for you to now assume if this is actually going to benefit you, or you have been using this to make money. If you have been using this to make money, please drop it on the comment section. If you actually cash out from this freelancer segment, please drop it on the comment section. Encourage people to do it, and also tell people how you go about it. Because to me, actually do this, but at the end of the day, it doesn't worth my time. It doesn't worth my time. That's what I'm saying. Because they are going to pay you small money. This is something like, to be honest with you, it's not a get rich something. You can never get rich with this immediately. It's just like giving you pocket money. Yeah, the pocket money is actually funny, sure. So without wasting much time, so what you need to do if you want to complete the task is you click on here, you click on any of the tasks there. What you need to do before getting paid as a freelancer here on this website is, number one, you start from number one. You need to read this thing carefully. Do you want to hold this job? Holding is not required but encouraged. It's left for you. But the main job is what is expecting from you, from the worker is: number one, you need to clear browser cookies for first, or open the private browser window. You guys know how to open a browser window now. You need to open a private browser window. You toggle on your incognito, just tap on it and toggle it on. That is how you can do it. That is the first step to do it. Then another one, number two, is copy and paste the link into your browser. This is the link you copy and paste into your browser. Then visit the internal link to create a website. Once you paste the link in your browser, there is a link you will see there. There is what they will tell you. You will see a direction. You now copy that link in that direction and paste on your browser. So number three is now scroll down slowly to the bottom of the post and wait for 40 seconds. Then visit next post button. Wait for 40 seconds, then visit next post button will appear. After 6 posts, you will get a code that you need to submit. Number four is now follow this link. You now copy this link and paste on your search bar. Then you follow instruction, any instruction on this fourth link. That is the instruction you follow to get paid. Another one is: note, if your internet connection is slow, the time will appear in a few seconds. Please wait for 10 seconds in case the timer doesn't appear. The required proof that task was finished is: number one, your URL proof visited from step 4. That's number one. Number two, submit the post ID code. You are going to submit it. This way you are going to submit the post ID code. The second one, the first one, you submit the URL of page 4 you visited. So that is how, after doing it, you now click on submit proof. Automatically your task will be completed, and you wait for the buyer, let me say for the buyer, the person that gave you the work to do, to come and credit you. That's how it is being done. So if you want me to do a video step by step and show you how to do it, you drop it on the comment section. I'm going to do a video step by step and show you how you can actually make money from this. So that is a simple thing about it. Don't remember, I said that freelancer is like you going there to work, while buyer is like you employing people to work for you. So I'm done doing video on this one. It is for you now to decide if it's actually worth your time. You just don't just watch me telling you everything. Just put in your own work. Grace and grace are not the same. You might be finding it so favorable. In my own aspect, it's not favorable to me because I've been trying countless times. It's not working for me. I can't be spending 5 hours on my phone making only 0.6 cents. Sorry, 0.8 cents. It's not making sense to me. But in your own aspect, you might be lovely doing things and you feel maybe it's working for you, you find joy in it, but to me it's not working. To me, I'm not saying this to encourage you. I'm just saying my honest review to you guys so that you know and suggest what you can go for. So if you, as I've said this again, if you have been making more than $2 daily doing this freelancer or on this website, just drop your comment. Just drop your comments on the comment section. Okay, it's actually strict to those in Nigeria, because I know where you are living is also determine the value of the money you are going to earn per tax. Assuming you were living in United Kingdom, USA, all those top countries, you have been making more than this. You have been making, let me say, $1 or 0.8, 0.9 per tax. But since you are living in a third world country, you are earning 0.03, yeah, very low. So I'm living in Nigeria, so I don't find this worthy. I don't find it doesn't worth my time. So I don't know, to you it might, therefore you might like it. So if you find this content useful, then actually subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment so that you encourage others. If you actually like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.